Let's see.
All right.
Let me know in the chat if you can see and hear me right now.
Can you see Danny?
Yeah, are we live? There might be a bit of a delay, so we'll see. Yeah.
And I can always
waiting.
check the stream
Exactly.
on my
Yeah, thank you.
end too.
Yeah.
Sorry, slight camera.
Let's see. Oh yes. Okay, we are live.
Hey, we're
Excellent.
live. Wonderful.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to welcome to Twitchcon. Say hello to Velia again. This is her second year at the convention, and we're going to be walking around talking to people and talking about science as well. And I am joined today by my lovely camera woman, Draw Curiosity.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, we just met here this week, and she's a fellow scientist, and so really excited to have her here. We're going to be talking a little bit about science and about dinosaurs and about insects and their biomechanics and stuff like that, possibly. So it's going to be a good time. So I'm glad you're here, everybody. Welcome, welcome.
All right.
Yeah. Let's,
who are we going to surprise first?
Yeah, let's go walk around Artist Alley a little bit, and we'll see who we run into. And here, we can walk side by side, so you don't have to walk backwards at least.
I'm gonna practice my crab walking.
Really appreciate you helping me out with this too.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I love the commitment to how the Velociraptor walks as well. Oh, hi.
Doing the head bob thing like a lot of birds do, you know?
So for anyone who might not be familiar with the Velociraptor, can you tell us more about her?
Yeah, sure. Here, we'll go where it's a little bit quieter maybe.
Yeah.
But yeah, so Velociraptor is a very bird-like dinosaur from the late Cretaceous period. If you've seen any of the Jurassic Park movies, those are not actually Velociraptor in those. Those are a different dinosaur called Deinonychus. Velociraptor is a bit smaller. It's from Mongolia. We know now that they were fully coated with feathers like this. So just a supremely cool animal, and it's awesome to be able to introduce her to the folks here at Twitchcon. Yeah.
And did you build her yourself?
Build her? What do you mean?
Sorry. Did you dig her up?
Yeah. She arrived last year before TwitchCon. It's a long trip, you know, coming all the way from the late Cretaceous period. It took about 70 million years, but she's here now and she's enjoying it. So yeah. Let's see. We might just go hang out over by the escalators, because that's a great place to run into people, like we did last year.
That is true.
And we can kind of start off there. It's also nice and cool, too.
Is she hungry? Has she been fed in advance of the stream?
She has been fed, yeah.
Do we need to be worried?
I don't think so, yeah. She picked up some multi-tuberculate mammals on the way over, so...
She is weapon checked.
Yes,
so
indeed.
She is certified not a threat.
I guess these weapons right here are, approved. Because she is pretty well restrained. So we'll see if we can sneak up on Nerduino again this year. Last year, I snuck up behind him and nipped him on the back of the head. Or Velia did, rather.
Yes.
And that left quite the impression. So I'll see if we can repeat that this year if we see him.
We wonder where he could be hiding. Not that we are trying to encourage chasing down streamers like they are dinosaur prey. But there is a giant duck there that I'm sure the Velociraptor...
Oh yeah, should we go see the giant duck real quick?
I think we should take a look at it.
A fellow big theropod dinosaur?
This is what you could have become had an asteroid not hit. Inae's making friends with dinosaurs.
Let's see. This way.
I'm looking for the lounge chair.
There we go, there's the duck. She's intrigued.
Great.
Much bigger theropod dinosaur than her.
I'm surprised no one wants to meet her.
I know,
Is she friendly to petting?
Yeah, generally, yeah. Aww. She knows you're a friend.
Aww. Oh, she's very soft.
Yeah.
Wonderfully
Those feathers
soft.
they're good for keeping the desert heat off in Mongolia, and good for display, all kinds of good stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll make our way over to the escalator.
Dr. Terminator says we are attempting to ambush hunt.
We'll see, yeah.
again, we don't recommend doing as we're doing.
Right, don't try this at home.
Don't actually ambush hunt people. It'll get you banned. But also, at the same time, let's go find some friends.
Yeah. We should also introduce you for anybody who might not be aware of your stuff or anything. This is cool that like our first collaboration ever is in person, you know? Yeah. Do you want to stop for a minute and introduce yourself? Yeah.
Okay. Well, hi everybody. My name is Inés, rhymes with face. I have a doctorate in insect flight biomechanics, so some of the dinosaurs fly, but I focus on things that are much, much tinier. Got my PhD a number of years ago, put it to great use, becoming a streamer.
Very nice.
And I guess I also do science and technology and a little bit of variety.
Yeah.
I know we've sometimes raided into each other, so some of you might have seen me before, but otherwise, hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, and if we can get some periodic shout-outs for Draw Curiosity, really appreciate that. Be good. Yeah.
And before Twitch, I also did a lot of YouTube, so for anyone who knows Nebula, I make science videos about things you didn't know you wanted to know. That's kind of my brand. But it is my honor to be the buff camera lady.
We really appreciate it. No, and the honor is ours. Yeah, having science communication royalty with us today. That's a big deal, you know.
And today does feel like the science day at Twitchcon.
Right, yeah. We've got the meetup at, was it 4 or 5? I forget. We got to make sure we show up for that, yeah.
I want to say it's 6, but I have not been very reliable with the schedule. So
we'll figure it out, yeah.
Oh, okay. I see familiar people, so we might be able to find our first victims who might enjoy meeting Ophelia.
Oh, look, we've got another dinosaur over here. We should go say hello.
I think we already have something to do here. All right. Ophelia's going to make a first friend.
Hello.
Oh my gosh.
It's Dynamite Twins, everyone. How are you doing?
This channel, they were in Utah doing a lot of dinosaur digs for bones.
I'm sorry, this is such a big coincidence that I also have.
Oh, very cool. It's dinosaurs. Nice.
Everyone's pulling out the dinosaurs now. Wow, amazing.
Nice. I work on Spinosaurs. That's one of my study groups. So I'm a paleontologist. Let me give you a sticker. Yeah.
I follow you, paleontologist.
Oh, very cool. Yeah. Here.
Yes.
I don't know if you remember familiar with the red claw.
Yeah. I ran into him last year. Yeah.
One of his moms.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah.
Oh, you're
Nice.
fine. Oh, okay. You're okay. Okay.
What type of dino is this?
She's a Velociraptor. Yeah. So they look a lot different than in Jurassic Park.
I thought they were smaller.
She's pretty big for a Velociraptor, honestly. Yeah. She's been very well fed.
By you specifically?
Oh, yeah.
Which other streamers are you taking out?
We're going to see if we can take a bite out of
friend.
Arduino later and maybe science
She looks pretty awesome and like pizza.
There we go.
We're going to take out the pizza.
Is it a Microraptor?
What's that?
What's wrong with a Microraptor?
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
They're a lot smaller than you see in Jurassic Park, but covered with feathers.
What's his name?
Her name's Velia.
Her name's Velia.
Yeah.
Hi, Velia.
Wait, is it true that dinosaurs are like all birds are dinosaurs?
That's exactly right. Yeah.
It looks like a bird.
Can I touch her?
Yeah, you can.
Oh my god.
Does she purr?
No, not really.
Really?
She's pretty well trained.
Does
So
she like pizza?
she does like pizza.
Really?
Wow.
Does she like white chocolate?
Maybe. Yeah.
Can reptiles eat chocolate?
I don't know if reptiles can eat chocolate. Yeah, we can talk about that in a minute. The
Is it like
theobromine.
dogs and cats?
Oh,
Does she like pineapple on pizza?
I think so. Yeah.
No, it does not. No. I take it over now.
Thank you. Appreciate
This
that.
band is like on.
Yeah, she's official. Yeah. It's funny, it says like weapon check, but these are definitely weapons. I guess they were deemed safe by security, so.
What's your favorite Jurassic Park movie?
She likes the first one.
The first one.
Yeah, 1993, the original. Oh, yeah. That's no joke, that's the ringtone on my cell phone.
Oh, I believe I didn't.
Yeah.
You don't have to tell me that.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh no!
Oh, that's so fun.
Thanks. So so good to run into you.
So much. I was thinking this is so cool.
Thank you.
It's so
Yeah.
nice to see you.
So good to see you too.
I was worried we wouldn't get to see you for the.
Yeah.
It's just out the wall. Like sometimes just
Just too busy, yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to go easy?
Hi again.
Hey, how you doing?
Last year.
Yeah. How are things?
Good. I see a bunch of spin legal on the big site.
Awesome. Yeah.
I'm like,
Thanks so much for watching. I
It's
appreciate
really
it.
interesting. I'm like not many people do stuff like what you do.
Yeah. It's a wonderful avenue for science outreach. She's a Velociraptor.
Well, cool.
Yeah. A little bit, yeah. It's a little overwhelming for her to be at the convention here, but she's been doing really well.
She did last year, so.
Exactly, yeah. She's getting used to
Can I
it.
get another teacher?
Absolutely, yeah.
Make sure I
Try again. There we go.
Nice. Yeah. You bet. Yeah. Thanks.
I'll see you
Can I
around.
give you a sticker too?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. There you go.
I have one from last year.
Oh, excellent. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
See you again.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah.
May the hunt continue.
Yeah.
So, flavor rating, 1 to 10. What's inflatable T-Rex like?
In terms of accuracy, or
I was just wondered how it suited Ophelia's taste palette.
she did look a little hungry there, but I don't know. She's
I
fed her well enough today.
So
Yeah.
maybe it was spared after all.
no. We were talking earlier about how dogs and cats can't eat chocolate because we got that question like, can she eat chocolate? As I recall, correct me if I'm wrong about this, but there's a compound in chocolate called theobromine,
Yeah.
and that's what's toxic to dogs and cats. I don't know if it's the same for birds or crocodiles, and that's how we would kind of infer whether or not that would be true for dinosaurs too, using like phylogenetic bracketing.
This might be where we have to use the chat card and hope someone can Google it.
There you go, yeah.
And use proper sources, so not the AI summary. If you're searching on Google, do -AI at the end of your search.
Yeah.
Can reptiles eat chocolate? Can birds eat chocolate?
Exactly, yeah.
Do you want a pet of Velociraptor?
Yeah. How's it going? Yeah, this is Velia. Velociraptor.
She's Fiona.
Fiona, great to meet you too. Yeah.
Angel. How beautiful. Oh, is she the streamer? She's like in charge of the show?
Here at Twitchcon, at least, yeah. But normally I'm doing paleontology streams, so I go out and dig up dinosaurs on stream and stuff. So.
That's amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, let me give you a sticker. Yeah.
Thank you. I would
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah. There's a QR code on there too. So
You're not a good.
I try. Yeah.
That's so wonderful.
Thank you.
Hello, chat. How are you? Good to see you. Can we get a hug from this?
She's my queen.
I love your dress. It's so pretty. Well, I'm sure
I love the plaid one.
Nice.
Okay, two friends have headed
Yeah.
already.
That's awesome. We're doing pretty well so far, I would say.
Does Ophelia remember the scent of, do we know? Actually, question for you.
Yeah.
What is the sense of smell of a velociraptor like?
Probably pretty decent, yeah. So a lot of theropod dinosaurs would have had a pretty good sense of smell, which is unlike most birds today, which are not very well known for having a good sense of smell. With the exception of something like a turkey vulture, which are...
Right.
Yeah. It's a velociraptor. Is it edible? No. She might try and eat you, though, if you're not careful. Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty interesting.
Yeah. So have you guys seen Jurassic Park before? Yeah.
Whoa.
Yo, it's not food. Chill out.
What's up? I'll be back.
What's her name?
I'll be back.
Velia.
With a V,
Her
yeah.
name is Velia. That's an animal. That's a living spirit. Apologize.
Yeah.
Apologize, you too. No, you apologize 3.
1, 2, 3. Sorry.
We're so sorry.
Thanks for stopping by.
Of course.
Take care.
Yeah.
I need to know the truth. Did Velia eat Dipsy?
I think she might have, actually. I don't know. Yeah. Should check for... Oh,
Daisy McGar says chocolate is toxic to birds.
interesting. I did not know that.
So,
Okay.
but that was white chocolate. I don't know if milk and dark chocolate are the ones with theobromine. or if that also applies to
That
white
would be good to look
chocolate.
into, yeah. Well, we will keep her away from any chocolate.
Okay.
She does really like popcorn, so if we see any popcorn, she might just go nuts over that. We'll see.
Alex Vixen says the caffeine and theobromine that chocolate contains makes it poisonous to parrots.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Pretty much everyone in chat. Thank you for searching and helping us out.
See? Crowdfunded information
Yeah.
checking. This is awesome.
Pet
Yeah.
MD also says chocolate is toxic to birds.
Okay, good to know. Yeah.
So, maybe the asteroid was made of chocolate. Sorry, I trolled a lot.
And we've tested it, and actually the reason I got this sample of the KPG boundary was we had oh, hello there. Hi.
Oh.
Yes. You can't play with it.
I think she senses a threat. She's like, this is not of this world.
Be gentle.
Right. Good, Nico.
Oh.
It's okay. We both know you're scared of this.
Oh, I just noticed Velia's tail, so we're gonna get a 360 here.
That's so cool. Thank you. Yeah, she's a Velociraptor. You guys have seen Jurassic Park, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The real Velociraptor is a lot smaller than the show there. It's covered in feathers. A lot of them do, yeah. Especially the ones that birds are related to. So, yeah.
You're more scared of it than anything you, I promise. No.
So sweet.
It doesn't want to. It can't play with you. It can't play with you, sweetie.
No.
It's okay. It can't play with you.
Yeah, of course. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hello.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna.
Cutie.
You know who you're gonna run into here at Twitchcon.
White chocolate contains no cocoa, so makes sense.
Oh, okay.
I thought there was. Yeah, I thought it contained some part of chocolate, but not the other.
Okay.
I promise I'm a scientist.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I know that it's not just the theobromine; it's also the caffeine in chocolate that can be bad, especially for like small dogs and cats, because it can make their heart race. It can actually like give them a heart
Oh,
attack.
I think someone wants
Hi.
to meet the Velociraptor.
Have you ever met a Velociraptor before?
No, I have not.
Yeah, this is Velia. Yeah. So we're walking around talking about how birds evolved from dinosaurs and that kind of thing. So hopefully that's plainly obvious. She's all covered with feathers and everything. So. Yeah.
Velociraptors were my favorite dinosaurs.
Oh, really?
growing up.
Well, very cool. Now
They
you've
have a
met a lot of
12-foot vertical jump.
Oh, wow.
Fun fact, I did my second grade report.
Nice.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so I do live dinosaur digs during the summer. So.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm a paleontologist by training.
Where do you go to do that?
So this year it was Utah and Wyoming. So
Really?
yeah.
Okay, so not
Yeah.
So hi, chat. Hello, chat. I'm like, always gotta acknowledge chat. Oh my gosh, wait, that's so cool. Well, have a good con.
Thanks.
Had
Yeah,
to
here.
compliment this
Can I give you a
over
sticker?
here, so please do. Oh my gosh, I love your get-up
There you
too.
go.
It's giving Indiana Jones.
Thank
but
you. This is
dinosaur.
like these are some of my field clothes that I wear in the field
Really?
anyway. So yeah, this is not.
I love it.
It's not
I'll check
cosplay.
out your
It's
streams.
yeah. Thanks. Yeah.
Okay, have a good.
Thanks for stopping by. How's it going? Absolutely. Yeah. That's why we're here.
Pterodactyl?
Velociraptor.
Oh, yeah, the feathered ones.
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you. Yeah. So you're walking around trying to teach people that like the Velociraptors in Jurassic Park, they didn't really look like that in real life. They're much closer to this. So yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. How's it going? Yeah. So yeah, awesome.
Oh, we got Doug cheered 100.
Oh,
For
thank
Claire.
you for the bits. I appreciate that. Yeah. It's funny. She said her fact is, they've got a 12-foot vertical jump. We don't really know that.
What? I was gonna say, how?
Look, you want to say hi to a Velociraptor? Yeah, this is Velia. Yeah. So we're here trying to teach people about dinosaurs. Yeah. Do you have a favorite dinosaur? You do? What is it?
Which one?
Small, fast one, like Compsognathus or something like that? Oh, very cool. Yeah, yeah.
Copies are so fast.
Uh-huh.
The T-Rex, like if the T-Rex tried to...
Yeah. T-Rex couldn't even catch him.
Yeah, because they could just go like... And
Yeah.
the T-Rex could do it.
Awesome.
And then they could just put it into a tiny hole.
Yep.
And then the thing can't even get them because he's so smooth. He has a front end.
Yep. Yep. Cool stuff. It's such a cool dinosaur. That used to be my favorite when I was a kid too. Yeah. Really cool. Thanks for talking with me. I appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, what did you get?
Got some cute little.
Some bunnies? Very cool. Nice.
Just hide them from Velia.
That's really cool. Yeah.
Have a day.
Have a good day. Oh.
So the topic of jumping
Yes.
does overlap with biomechanics.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Tell us
So-
about that with regard to what do you want to tell us about jumping with insects? I immediately think crickets, but you might have a different take.
So I did study locusts for a little bit.
Locusts?
I studied flight primarily, so
Uh-huh.
jumping is not quite my thing, although we did
Okay.
recently cover the biomechanics of jumping.
Oh, very cool.
But
Okay.
I was curious
Uh-huh.
how one might be able to find out that a dinosaur, is it based on
Right, yeah.
bones and how we presume the muscles attach? Because we could
Uh-huh.
probably estimate based on
You
body mass.
You
and
would
the
think
power.
so. Nobody's ever really worked on that all that much, to my knowledge. It's tricky because you've got modern animals. I did a YouTube video about this years and years ago before I started on Twitch.
Yeah.
And what I focused on was when you're looking at the skeleton of an animal, are there any osteological correlates in there that would, correlate with jumping ability? And so I was thinking about modern animals like deer and pronghorn antelope. So deer are very, very good jumpers, as everybody knows. Pronghorn basically can't jump. And their skeletons don't look that different. There might be some subtle cue in there that could tell you whether or not they could jump. You got me this time!
Oh, we got snuck up on this time. Hi, Nerdwino.
How you doing, Nerdwino? Good to see you. Yeah, doing really well. Man, he got us.
Yeah.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
What goes around comes around, apparently.
I know, right? Yeah, turnabout is fair play. Shoot.
Like an elephant.
Elephants always get revenge.
Brain Shake subscribed with Prime.
Oh, thank you there, Brain Shake. Appreciate it. Excellent. Yeah. How's your day been going
It's
so
been
far?
good, yeah. I went to a couple of really cool panels.
Nice, yeah.
And, met some of the devs and stuff. And,
Very cool.
we just down at the Elgato booth with Finance Singularity, who was showing us some stuff, and I got Casey Soa, introduced Casey to Mark, I think they're...
Excellent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so-
I went down with her yesterday to Elgato, and they're like, "Come back tomorrow. We've got the partner people here." So
Yeah, so I think...
thank you for doing that. Excellent.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Gotta get Casey a stream deck.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
what about you? What have you been up to?
Yeah, just mostly walking around. Went to a couple panel things, but mostly it's keep getting stuff. Hello, how's it going?
Good.
Yeah.
Were you at Dragon Con?
No.
I had
Yeah.
it very similar to people in Greece.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. Yeah. No, this is a Velociraptor. This is Velia here. Yeah.
Hi, Nerdwino.
And I'm paleontologizing, so I do fossil science on Twitch.
Oh.
So yeah.
Did you do one of the panels?
I am now.
I did. Yeah. I was on the science and education panel.
get in
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
that camera?
Can I give you a sticker? Yeah.
You'll be in like an infinite loop of
There you go.
cameras.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
No,
Yeah. So yeah.
Did you know this was happening? Were you trying to hunt us down and preempt it?
Somebody in chat said that Danny had Velia, and I was told.
Oh, okay. There you
Which
go.
one of you
They were like,
snitched?
"This is number 24. I was like, oh,
Who was it?
We got stream sniped.
Who snitched?
yeah, I got stream tonight downstairs by places. Hey, how's it
Ooh.
going?
Hey, how's it going?
So is that a Dilophosaur?
Velociraptor.
Oh, it's a Velociraptor. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I didn't know.
Yeah, yeah. So that's funny. In Jurassic Park, the Dilophosaurus is way too small.
Right.
And the Velociraptor is way too big.
Right.
Yeah.
And so that's why I was like, wait, is that
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because I know, especially in recent years, when they found the better fossils, they found
Yep. We know that they had feathers now.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, dinosaurs are birds.
Exactly.
Birds
yeah.
are dinosaurs.
Birds are dinosaurs. Exactly. Yeah.
There's
So-
actually a species. Oh, I've got to find it.
Thank you. Yeah.
It looks like a dinosaur still, but it's a bird, and I mean it looks like.
Oh, is it like a cassowary or something
No,
like that?
it's not
or
a cassowary.
Yeah.
It's a groove-billed.
Oh, shoebill maybe.
No, groove-billed, because it's got a very finished-looking bill.
Interesting.
And it's all black.
Yeah.
So So there's a couple different species, but they all have the same basic shape.
Very cool.
Like they're more round.
Yeah.
They're very dinosaur shaped in the body.
She's weapon checked.
Oh, weapon.
She promised not to snack on
Very
ice
cool.
cream.
Yeah. Can I give you a sticker?
Yeah.
What about moths?
I'm not a moth
animatronic.
I'm a streamer,
animatronic,
so that's all I care about. I got to keep my weapon.
Oh yeah.
It's really cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, because a guy on YouTube, Clint Reptiles, I really like him.
Yeah. I need to collaborate with him at some point. Yeah.
He's really cool. But also he loves dinosaurs.
I'm a
Right,
training
yeah,
my
yeah.
He did a whole video on like T-Rex make a good pet.
Right. Okay. I should check that out. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Hey,
I've
good.
heard
How
of
you doing?
men-
Good to see you again. Yeah. This is Velia.
That's neat. Yeah.
That's a good question. Yeah. So, in order to figure that out, you got to cut the bones open and look at the growth rings inside, like with a tree.
Like a tree ring?
Yeah. And we've not done that enough to have a really good sense for how old certain dinosaurs can get. Because most of the time when we do that, they're not that old when we cut them open. So, yeah. We really need more sampling like that. We need more data to be able to tell like what's the maximum lifespan for a dinosaur like this or any other kind of dinosaur.
Yeah. So most of the fossils we have are actually like juveniles, or
juveniles or subadults or kind of young adults like that. Yeah.
What about as far as what they eat? Can we tell that by their teeth? That they
Sometimes you can kind of make some guesses. Sometimes also you find gut contents, so there'll be like the skeleton of another animal in their ribcage.
We actually have examples.
Oh yeah, lots of examples of that.
Really?
Yeah.
Of this species.
Not for Velociraptor in particular.
You got a dinosaur shirt.
Oh, very nice. Dinosaur shirt? Awesome. Yeah. Very cool.
All my shirts.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, really? I should give you a sticker. I do paleontology on stream, so I dig up dinosaurs live.
Where, like in Arizona, New Mexico?
Utah and Wyoming this past year.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I love paleontology.
Yeah. Awesome.
I'm a marine biologist myself.
Oh, very cool. Oh, you'd like this sticker then. I'm starting a project with leatherback turtles.
Oh, he's got
There you go.
Conservation and research.
They weigh like 300 pounds. It's crazy.
Like over 1,000 in a lot of cases. They're huge. So, yeah. Really cool.
Very nice to meet you. I
Yeah.
love how the realistic dinosaur comes
Thank you.
with feathers.
Appreciate that. Yeah. Trying to show people what they really look
Is it
like.
more so like a mammal or a bird?
Like a bird. Yeah.
Okay.
Very, very bird-like. Yeah. In fact,
I
there's
noticed,
some.
I noticed the hair. I didn't know if that was supposed to replicate
There's supposed to be feathers, But yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Danny.
You're Danny on Twitch?
Paleontologizing.
Oh my god, I loved it. You dust off the bones and everything?
Oh yeah. Live on stream, live via satellite in the middle of nowhere.
Beautiful.
You should tell them about your pendant.
Oh yeah,
Speaking of.
Sure, yeah, that's a sample of the Z coal. So the KPG bounder when the asteroid hit, threw up all that dust and everything. That's a sample from that in there that I got back in 2014 in Montana.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I actually wrestled inflatable dinosaurs.
Okay, nice.
Kamikaze.
Very cool. Yeah. Can we get a shout out for Kamikaze there? Yeah.
I've been going around. Honestly, I've been doing interviews with other streamers throughout the whole Twitchcon experience.
Okay.
But today, taking a break, kind of just hanging out, checking the panels.
It is Sunday.
Enjoy.
They were made to rest.
See how it's so many less people today. You notice that?
It really kind of is. I'm surprised. Yeah.
I guess everybody's going home this summer.
I guess so. Yeah. Or they're too tired after the block party last night or whatever.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Something happened. I don't know. Something's
It was
good to meet you. Yeah.
I had to come take a look.
Of course. Yeah. This is Velia. She's a Velociraptor.
Hi, Velia. I see those nice sharp teeth, and I know I won't reach out and say hi.
Oh, she's generally pretty non-biting.
Are you binary now?
Pretty not.
What?
So 3:30, the panel.
I mean, within reason.
Exactly. But I also know
I might be still. I think I'm not going to listen to you before, but what?
Don't want to lose a finger. It's very cool. I see you have a QR.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be at
So I actually dig up dinosaurs on stream. I'm a paleontologist by training.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Something I used to want to do as a kid.
Yeah.
But I guess it's like something every kid wants to do.
Exactly. Yeah. If everybody did what they wanted to when they grew up, we'd have 6 million astronauts and firefighters and paleontologists, I guess. Yeah.
Is it okay to just take a picture?
Absolutely.
I want to take one with you, though.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.
Yeah. Of course. All right. Spikes, how you doing?
You just missed the ocean. You walked by.
Oh.
Got Smikes from Science.
Is that a dinosaur?
I think so.
I guess so. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, we'll probably run into more Yoshis, honestly.
Velia.
Doing well? Yeah.
Zook did a tier 3 resub at 17 months.
Thank you. Really appreciate
a
the
little
support. Yeah.
earlier. I don't. If there's been anything else since then, we have missed it, and we are so
A
sorry.
little preoccupied here, but we always appreciate the support. So thank you. Yeah.
I wanted to say, hey, your panel yesterday was absolutely amazing. I went to
you.
support
Hey.
Ultra in science,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I mean, seeing you, I was all like, oh my gosh.
I really
was like,
appreciate that. Thank you.
I was like, that's so cool that you do that.
Thank you.
I
Yeah.
actually, I was in the Unity Guild lounge because I was all like, okay, it's time to take a break. And then I saw that you popped up because I was like, I have to give you a follow after that.
Thank you. Yeah, no, I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you for attending the panel. And you asked a question at one point, didn't you? Maybe not.
I did not.
You did not?
No, because I was going to troll a little bit with Ultra and her The Earth is Flat.
Oh,
but
right, yeah.
I was all like, I'll do that the next time I'm in her stream, so it's all good.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, love Ultra and science, and now I have another wonderful educational streamer like
Thank
you
you.
in with
Oh.
Googles and everything.
That means a lot to me. I really
yeah.
appreciate you saying
I
that.
absolutely
And
love
thank
it.
you for supporting science here on Twitch. It's a big deal. We're trying to recruit more scientists onto the platform. And Draw Curiosity here is a scientist herself.
Hi.
She's my camera woman for today, so thank you again for doing that.
I did see someone asking if I was a science streamer too. I am.
So so we'll get if we don't already, let's get another shout out for Draw Curiosity here.
Yes. Oh, there I am.
Beautiful.
Yay, thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
So.
And then I love the sparkles and everything.
Thank you so much. This was also a gift from another streamer, so I'm just, glowing from everybody.
Yeah. It's funny because a lot of people actually don't know that I have my degree in microbiology, but
very
I just
cool.
don't announce it as well because I'm actually a horror streamer. So.
Yeah. Well, you should maybe think about doing a microbiology stream at some point if you would want to.
Especially because I do talk a lot about mental health and everything like that.
Yeah.
There are some things that correspond.
You should get involved with science streams.
Talk to us.
Yeah, because that could be really cool. Thanks so much for coming to say hi. I really appreciate it. Yeah.
You guys have fun. Y'all have the rest of the StateCon and everything like that. And
Thank you.
Y'all are awesome.
You
Thank
too.
You so much.
Appreciate you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Well, very cool. Yeah.
All right. Shackle, who is my lead mod, Doctor of Pathology. The technical term is entomology.
Yes, the study of insects. Yeah.
Entomos means little segments because insects are segmented arthropods.
I wonder if is there arachnology for arachnids and like non-insect arthropods?
For someone who studies entomology, you would think.
Yeah, I don't know.
Weirdly, everyone I know who studies spiders studies biomaterials because they look at the silk.
Okay.
And they also do silkworms, so they never refer to themselves as arachnologists or entomologists. They're just like, we're material engineers.
Exactly. They're not thinking about the phylogenetics of the whole thing, how these are related in clades or anything. It's just...
Deathsaurus loves bugs. That makes me really happy.
Oh, and Dyson Dinosaur is another fellow paleontologist.
Oh, okay.
So he does Dungeons and Dragons and paleontology.
That's such a smart username.
Isn't that cool? Yeah. So good to see you, Filippo. Hope you're doing well. Denver sent me an email too, by the way, about they've got a new paper coming out, which is really exciting.
Okay.
So we're going to be talking about that on stream coming up. I'm excited about it. Yeah.
Do you know when that's going to be yet? Or
I think it'll be beginning of November. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So coming soon after spooky season.
Exactly. Yeah. It's going to be really cool. Hey, how's it going? Thank you. Yeah. Have you ever met a Velociraptor before?
I haven't in real life yet.
Yeah, this is Velia.
It's nice to meet you. Do I pet it?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Okay. Hi, chat. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm comfortably uncomfortable. I love it.
It's good to step out of your comfort zone every once in a while.
Cool, man.
It's okay.
Pet a dangerous animal.
I want to get you a handle.
So I'm a paleontologist in real life. That's
check this out, dude.
So I dig up dinosaurs on stream during the
I have a
summer.
brother who's so into dinosaurs.
Oh, very cool. Well, let me give you a sticker. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna slip you my card too, because why not? We're here
Thank
doing
you.
things.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. It's really cool to meet. What was its name?
Velia.
It's good to meet you, Velia. Thank you.
That's so cool.
All right, you guys have a great con. It's great to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you for the interaction.
Yeah. Awesome. Learn. I'm getting thirsty. I might want to go grab some water real quick.
I'm pro doing that too.
Yeah. I can hold the camera for you while you do that if you would like. There should be a drinking fountain around here somewhere.
The streamers seek the watering hole.
Exactly, yeah.
Velia might need a little sip
Do that
as well.
hydrate. Yeah. We also, I should check at some point to figure out when our science meetup is. 'Cause I don't want to miss that.
It's at 5.
At 5. Thank you.
Now,
okay.
do we know passed it on?
Perfect.
How
okay.
long
Good to
do
know.
you have this for? Is it a couple hours?
It's a couple hours. So let's
Okay.
see. What time is it now? I started
It's-
at 1:50.
It's 2:30.
2:30.
I think you have it till 4.
Perfect.
I'm assuming you have it 2 till 4.
Yeah. Excellent. Let's see. Should be a drinking fountain coming up soon, hopefully.
There are bathrooms. Do they have them inside?
No, they should be outside.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not supposed to bring the streaming gear into the bathroom.
Yeah.
so.
Yeah, I don't think that would be be observed very well.
Anyway, how's your TwitchCon been going so far?
I've had an incredible time. This is my first TwitchCon. I'm honestly, relatively speaking, a new streamer. Many years on YouTube, not so many on Twitch. So I didn't really think to try and make it last year. I only have attended one panel because of how busy everything has been.
It's been crazy, right? Yeah.
My extroverted self is really happy. I've met so many incredible people. I met Science, I met Hoodles, met Naduino. Honestly, Naduino and I have collabed and we've been on stream before, so it's like seeing an old friend at this point. So many people, Melissa from Denial.
Right, yeah, I just met her for the first time last night, which is awesome.
Yes, we were both there at the block party.
It's so cool when, you can shake somebody's hand or give them a hug and it's like, you're real.
Yeah.
You're not just a face on a screen, you know? It's pretty cool. That's the magic of TwitchCon, you know?
Yeah, it really has been a lot of fun to sort of... In Spain, we say desvirtualizar, like to devirtualize someone, meet them in person. You speak Spanish, and I did not know this.
Un poco, sí. Soy puertorriqueño en el lado de mi papá.
Anda, y yo no sabía eso. I didn't know that.
Sí.
I'm from Spain originally, for anyone in chat who's like, what's happening? I did wonder, because Anduza sounds like a Spanish surname.
There's a Spanish town called Andújar, Jar at the end.
Andújar,
yes. So my last name is derived from that. So it's like an immigration thing where they drop some of the letters and you know how it goes.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah.
We know that America, doesn't like the letter U color on it. Why would it have a U?
That's a good point. I've never thought about it that way.
Spanish. We like to eat letters as well. Alex Vixen says, "Draw curiosity. Quick question: have I seen Terminids in Helldivers?" I've actually not played Helldivers. For someone who streams on Twitch, I'm actually a really terrible gamer.
You're in good company here. Yeah, shoot. I never play games on Twitch, so yeah.
I mean, I play games on Twitch, but that's pretty much the extent of my gaming endeavors. But I have heard of Helldivers, and I think I've heard at least a couple people say I might like it. So maybe give it a couple months.
That's kind of a Starship Troopers-esque game, right? So there's like big arthropods running around, and I think you have to do unkind things to them, unfortunately. But
yeah. I was going to say I don't know because I have not played. So
I've seen clips and stuff.
For someone who said they didn't play many games, once again, he knows everything.
He's up through osmosis, Yeah.
Hanny's says they love how Velia walks with her head very straight.
Oh yeah.
I think she's very focused on.
She's looking around. Yeah, just like a bird. How's it going? Yeah, have you ever met a Velociraptor before? Yeah, this is Velia. So she just arrived from the late Cretaceous period.
I didn't know they had feathers.
Oh yeah. So a lot of dinosaurs like this, the ones that are very closely related to birds, fully feathered. The Velociraptor is one of those, so yeah. What you saw in Jurassic World, completely wrong. These animals were fully feathered like this. And yeah. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Thanks. See, birds technically are a kind of dinosaur. They evolved from dinosaurs that looked like this, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for saying hello. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Okay, on our quest for water, if we're unsuccessful, we could always...
I know there's drinking fountains around the corner, so...
I felt like I had seen some.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Do you want to pet the Velociraptor?
She's a real
Oh my
Velociraptor.
gosh, hi! I'm so sorry I called you a puppet. You're so cute. Hello.
She will take one finger for that.
Do you want a pen instead?
That would be nice, actually. I might come back, yeah.
Okay,
thank you.
awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting us say
Cool.
hello.
Of course, yeah. We're just walking around talking to people about dinosaurs.
Awesome.
That's Westerbender.
Yeah. Apparently they thought these weapons were okay, so they let her in, yeah.
Okay, I'm glad they let you in. We
Yeah.
actually were just talking about you. My friend
Oh, really?
was telling me that when she works behind your stream on another monitor.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding. Wow.
And I was like, that's such a niche thing. I want to look it up. But I'm so sad she's inside. Otherwise,
Well,
I'd be like, she's here.
Let me give you a sticker for her, and then you can take one as well if you would like.
Oh, cool. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. I'm sure she would love that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
we love having a fun stream on. So
there you go. So there's a QR code on the back, and then I've got a non-QR code one for her if she already follows. So.
Oh, she does. She's a
Yeah.
big fan.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah, and here, let me give you a leatherback turtle sticker for her as well. 'Cause she might
Oh
like that.
my god.
Would you want one as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're
That's
starting a new
so
project with leatherback turtles.
Wow, that's
for their
amazing.
conservation and research. Yeah, of course, yeah.
That's so cool.
Thank
oh my
you.
gosh, she's gonna love this.
This is for my son. This
Nice.
Wow,
Very
I
nice.
can't wait to tune in.
Yeah. Thanks for saying hello. Appreciate
Yeah, of
it.
course. Thanks for
Yeah.
saying hello to us.
Have a
as
great rest of
well.
your day.
You too.
All right, nice.
Another good bug game is anything made by Bethesda, like Doom. Sorry, that's like one of the few games that I have played on stream, believe it or not.
I'm like impressed with. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I don't know anything about games, so you're making me feel a little bit better about that. Not in like a oh you don't know anything kind of way, but like sometimes I get a little bit of imposter syndrome on Twitch because I don't really know anything at all about video games. So it's nice to not be the only person in that boat, you know.
I mean, it turns out there's a lot of different things one can do whilst live.
Oh yeah,
I don't
absolutely.
necessarily involve video games.
Yeah, I'm the same way. And what a beautiful day outside too. Let's get a shot of this. There's San Diego Harbor out there.
Oh yeah, it is.
That's gorgeous.
Do you want to step outside? Or?
Sure, yeah.
All right. Hey,
There we go.
Velia,
Ah, she loves the sun.
how does the sun of today compare to the Cretaceous? Can dinosaurs get sunburn? Do the feathers protect them?
They probably should protect them, I would imagine. Yeah, one of the many benefits of having like a skin covering like that. Yeah. But man, look at that view. That is just lovely.
I guess. Sorry, Velia's off camera for this.
All good. Yeah. Beautiful day.
So another question I have.
Yeah.
So I see the puppet has circular pupils.
Mm-hmm.
One of my sort of research special interests
Yeah,
is
yeah.
vision.
Mm-hmm.
How do we know? Do we actually know whether they have circular pupils, or is this just a guess?
So it is a guess, but probably a strong one. Yeah.
Okay.
So birds, they've got circular pupils. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any exceptions to that. I think they all have circular pupils, and they evolved from dinosaurs from the same group. So it
Yeah.
makes sense that dinosaurs
Okay.
like Velociraptor would have circular pupils.
Do we know? Because I asked about their sense of smell. Do
Yeah,
we know? Do we have any idea what their sense of vision might be like?
It was probably pretty excellent because they've
Yeah.
got really big orbits, really big eye sockets.
Okay.
And sometimes you've got the sclerotic ossicles preserved in there. It's the little bones behind the eye.
Yeah.
And that would have shown, it shows that they had big eyes. There's even a chance that dinosaurs like Velociraptor may have been partly nocturnal because they've got such big eyes, it would make sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I have some eye fun facts. I
Yeah,
don't have
yeah.
any about dinosaurs,
Uh-huh.
but I can tell you that birds, specifically birds of prey,
Mm-hmm.
are the singular group of organisms that have the best eyesight, and one of the rare ones that have more resolution than us. So if you were to have an ant next to your foot, if you were to look over the edge of a 3-story building, which is kind of conveniently the height
Yeah,
at which
yeah.
we're at, they would see that ant in the same resolution as we
Holy
would see
cow.
our ant
Wow.
by our foot.
That is really cool. Yeah.
But only in like the little region in the very, very center,
Mm-hmm.
in the very fovea of the eye, and they expend so much energy
Interesting.
in their eyes,
Uh-huh.
just so that they're able to get that degree of resolution
Right.
and also process those visuals.
Uh-huh.
So high chances are you probably do have really good vision, and you
Yeah, I
probably
would
do
think
have
so, yeah.
pinprick pupils.
So the term eagle-eyed
Fact-checked.
is eagle-eyed is based on real science. Then, like critters like eagles do have extraordinarily good vision, I guess. Pretty neat. And these are literally eagle eyes right here. These are like taxidermy eagle eyes that.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. And do we know that she would have amber eyes? I was reading recently.
We don't actually. Yeah.
About the pigments in bird eyes, because
Oh, interesting.
I color in humans. So I'm sure everyone knows it's polygenic. It's not as simple as, blue or brown. But the main colors, there's Rayleigh scattering for greens and blues. Melanin, the more melanin you have, you start to get green, then you get hazel, then you get brown. And then there's lipochrome, which is like little fat deposits.
Hey there.
Hi.
Ever met a velociraptor?
I don't think I would. I'm afraid. I'm scared a little bit. I mean, I've
She's
only
pretty
heard,
friendly for the most part.
I've only heard
yeah.
bad things about velociraptors. The movies have not been kind.
Jurassic World slandered them. They're,
Yes.
a lot smaller than you see in that movie. Maybe a little bit cuter. They're certainly feathered like this, and yeah,
For sure, and the plumage is gorgeous,
Thank
by the
you.
way.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So, do you just do this for Twitch, or you do this on your channel?
So this is only for Twitchcon. Feely only really comes out for that, but I'm a paleontologist by training, and so I dig up dinosaurs on stream.
Wow,
Yeah.
you dig up dinosaurs on stream.
Yeah.
We are definitely following your channel. For
Awesome,
sure.
thank you. Here, let me give you a sticker.
Excellent. Let's trade.
Yeah.
Here's
There you go.
mine. There's yours.
Thank you.
I'm a DJ. There's a record crate with my channel on it.
Very
and that's
nice.
me.
Okay.
You're here on the
PDS mix. Nice.
You're here on the PDS Lux channel. That's the luxury travel channel that we do.
Well. I'm honored.
We're in San Diego.
Yeah.
We're based out of Nashville, Tennessee. And if you're looking for a place to raid when you're done with your crew and you need some music, I do 80s, I do disco right now.
Very
but
nice.
I'm an open format and I specialize in mashups. So,
very cool. Okay.
Yeah. Come let me
Nice.
spin some records for you, some actual records.
That would be
9,000 vinyl records in the house.
Yeah, that
So-
sounds wonderful. Yeah.
Excellent.
I can take requests. You take requests too?
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
Okay.
So it has. I have to own it on vinyl.
Oh, very
Yeah.
cool. Okay.
So
Yeah.
there's that.
Where do you usually dig?
So this year I was digging in Utah and Wyoming.
Nice.
I spent 11 weeks out in the field this year, streaming almost 7 days a week. So it's a new record for me.
Right on,
Yeah.
right on.
Yeah,
Awesome.
thanks. Yeah.
Excited.
Well, thanks for taking some time to talk
Yeah,
with us.
thank you so much
nice
for
to
saying
meet
hello.
you. I don't want
Yeah.
to don't want to
Oh,
get snipped.
she's fine.
Is she fine? Can I pet the velociraptor?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh, a little
that's
chittering. Oh, look at this.
Paleontologizing and their incredible mud. Draw curiosity.
So Draw Curiosity is also a scientist here.
Also a scientist?
Yeah.
Women in
Yeah.
STEM! Women in STEM!
Nothing more
Are
advanced
you
is
al-
Danny on another
Are
channel.
you also a paleontologist?
So my
I am
name
not
is
a
Danny.
paleontologist,
But yeah,
but
paleontologizing.
I have a PhD in insect flight biomechanics.
Yeah.
And I talk about all things biology and how they mix with other
Excellent fun. I
disciplines.
appreciate
A
it.
new angle on Danny.
Awesome. Let me check you out as well.
Excellent. It was like there. So he's using the coo emotes when I was, scratching the back. Oh, there it is. Ah. Anyway, we're late for a meeting.
Okay.
Great to talk to you.
Thanks for stopping by. Well, very nice. Yeah.
Yeah, we
Always
found-
cool to run into people.
Found new friends.
So we were talking about
Eye colors.
eye colors. Yeah.
So yeah, very relatively simple in humans.
Okay.
But apparently birds
Uh-huh.
have at least 3 different actual pigments that contribute to them having bright green as opposed to Rayleigh scattering green,
Interesting.
as well as yellow and orange. And I don't know how that works in reptiles and
Yeah.
birds and whether we could approximate
Right,
whether they would be
yeah.
yellow.
That's really fascinating. Huh. I know I've seen birds do crazy things with their pupils as well. Well, they'll actually use that for display. So, like, I think birds of paradise will do this during courtship. Where they'll expand, they'll dilate and contract their pupils really rapidly in a way that's like it's very striking. And I kind of wonder whether that's. Yeah, whether they have any sort of special mechanism for that kind of thing. I'm just thinking out loud here. I have no idea.
That is
Yeah.
fascinating.
It's
because
really cool. Yeah.
The only and not saying that it doesn't exist. The
Yeah.
only thing that I can think of that's similar, where you have
Yeah.
very rapid eye muscle movements like that. So cephalopods think the sepia. So one of my very first videos on YouTube is why the sepia, why the cuttlefish has a W-shaped pupil.
Right, okay.
And one of the reasons for it, for anyone who does photography, you might have heard the term chromatic aberration.
Mm-hmm.
I think when you take a photo of something, at the edges of the photo, you will see like magenta and green. And that's because the wavelength of light is essentially being scattered due to the imperfect shape of the optics.
Okay, yeah.
So this pupil shape, we usually have the pupil in the middle to have the least chromatic aberration as possible.
Right, yeah.
Cuttlefish use it on purpose. So they don't have color vision in the sense that they just have rods, essentially.
Right.
But due to the chromatic aberration, they actually... they focus through their lens at very rapid speed, like similar to what you're describing for the birds of paradise.
Oh, very cool, yeah.
And that makes, at least on the edges, the different colors and wavelengths come in and out of focus. So that's how they know the color of things without seeing the color of things.
Interesting. Wow. That's wild. I did not know that about cephalopods.
Thank you, Misty.
Yeah. It's neat that, like, different critters from different evolutionary clades will evolve different solutions to the same kind of problem, you know? Like, rather than having... Because they don't have cones on their eyes, do they? Cephalopods?
They do not.
They don't. So and they can still
yeah.
perceive color using what you were talking about.
Yeah.
That is wild.
Because,
that is very cool.
you know, ocean floor, you want to maximize your use of brightness and the little sun there is.
So take in as much light as you can with the... Okay. Yeah. Very cool. Oh, and we have discovered our water as well.
Oh, good.
So, yeah, I know, right? Here, I can take the camera real quick if you want to get a drink first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe
so I can grab that. I gotta try not to yank your hair out. Hang on a sec.
We good?
Are you taking the backpack off, or you just want to...
Oh, I thought I was just being followed like a...
Oh, yeah, let me follow you, yeah.
I figured that would probably be easier.
Yeah. Live broadcast, everybody. All right.
Okay, thank you. Do you want... I'm guessing
I would
you
like
would
to get some water. Yeah, thank you.
All right. Okay. I'll play some elevator music for you as we both hydrate. Hydrate or dihydrate. Actually, this is a Twitch stream after all, so you all know that hydrate redeem applies to all of you too.
There we go.
Okay, we're back.
Excellent, yeah.
We've had a bit of water. Do we want to go downstairs? Or do we want to go to
let's go walk
Artist
around
Alley?
maybe in the exhibitor area or something. Yeah, and then we got to make sure that 5 p.m. is our science meetup, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So
and,
yes,
let's see, what time is it right now? Because we've got this until 4.
Yes, we've got an
2:50.
hour. We've got
Beautiful.
an hour 10.
Yeah, excellent. Yeah, let's go walk around downstairs a little bit.
Okay.
See who we see.
I'm actually finally catching up properly on chat. On behalf of...
I appreciate you doing that, too. We've got a pro streamer here with us today.
Destroyers as there are more panels. Honestly, what I've been told is it's all about the meetups here.
That is, yeah. There are a few panels that I was hoping to go to today, and then this is the time that I had scheduled for the IRL backpack, so I just had to miss them. Wanted to see one with Alvea Sanctuary and a few other things, but you know, I can get in contact with those folks on my own time, so I'll do that when I get home.
Yeah, there are a lot of panels that have also been streamed to Twitch as well.
Exactly, yeah. So I might get to watch those later. Yeah.
Might catch the board.
Yeah.
Okay, so we could maybe...
Yeah, we can go down the escalator over there.
Let's see how Velia does PUBG, or if she can land an Elgato sponsorship. I wonder how mammals feel about dinosaurs.
There might still be some bad blood there after a long...
Cerner says there's no hydrate redeem. You don't have a hydration redeem when you do outdoor digs?
I do have a hydration redeem, but that might not be on with this setup here. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah. No, that's one of the few channel redeems that I have. I need to get better at that. There's not very many.
Okay, Cerner says there's no hydrate here, but take my bone points. Hi, Ramon!
Walk over on this side.
Oh, Dinosaur Dave says he knows parrots do that with their eyes. I did not know this. I have never.
I've seen that on parrots too. Yeah.
I've never actually kept a bird or sort of like been in super close quarters with one to observe that. So, you know, the biologist is learning too.
I mean, if anything, it shows just what a huge, expansive field biology is, where you could have thousands of researchers all studying different things, and their expertise might not even overlap.
Someone's mad. You removed it.
I removed the hydrate, really? Huh. I think maybe people were redeeming it like 20 times in a row or something.
Okay.
But
you can put a cooldown on.
What's that?
I put a cooldown on mine.
That's a smart thing to do. I'll have to do that.
Okay. Is this Velia's first escalator? Or
oh no, she did a lot of these last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was going to say she doesn't seem too anxious about it. So.
Nah, she's a pro at this point.
Oh, this is Velia, Revo.
Velia. Yeah. I was thinking of giving her like a traditional Mongolian name, but I do not speak Mongolian and I would butcher that. So, hey, how's it going? Let's see, how many people we got watching right now? 348, not too shabby. Yeah, excellent. Especially for a shorter stream.
I was going to say eagle eyes for catching that. All right, so do we want to embrace the chaos?
Let's go walk around over by the exhibitions and stuff. I promised the Humane Society folks and the World Wildlife Foundation folks that I would drop by and say hello, so we'll go do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I hear the silly gooses in there. If they're too silly, they might get sniped by this one.
Huh.
She might get to eat some what she eventually evolved towards. John asks, is it known if velociraptors did just eat fish of their time, hunted animals, or were they scavengers?
So we have direct evidence that Velociraptor hunted other dinosaurs. There's this remarkable specimen of a Velociraptor and a Protoceratops, which is like a small, like beaky plant-eating dinosaur, kind of like Triceratops with no horns. They were locked in combat, so preserved together.
Yeah.
So the beak of the Protoceratops is around the Velociraptor's arm, and the Velociraptor's claws are around the belly and throat of the Protoceratops. So they died together somehow. It's a big mystery, like how that happened. I think it might have been a burrow collapse. So there's evidence that Protoceratops may have lived in burrows. So it could be that a Velociraptor went down into that, and then the whole thing fell down. So we can go over there. That's where Humane Society is.
You want a little first-person view for chat?
There we go, yeah.
This is what Twitchcon looks like and where we're headed. Oh yeah, I remember walking back here. And it's Serpico.
I think they're over this way, if I remember correctly.
Got some music playing.
Yeah, we both know we don't want to, but it's something we like. And watch it burn away. Watch as it burns away.
There we go. Our claws got hooked on somebody's somebody's sweater there.
I thought she was weapon checked.
Amazing.
Thank you. Yeah, she's a Velociraptor.
An accurate Velociraptor.
Exactly. Yeah, fully feathered, right size, all that. Yeah.
The head is properly shaped, not Harmonicus shaped.
Exactly. Yeah, you know your stuff. Let me try to give you a sticker.
Thank you for the picture.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I do paleontology on Twitch. I dig up dinosaurs live on stream.
Oh, cool.
So check me out. Yeah.
Absolutely. That is so.
Thank you. Yeah. Velociraptor mongoliensis in the flesh.
How close as we'll ever see.
Exactly. Right. Yeah.
How long did it take you to make?
Long time. Yeah.
I believe it. Animatronic or hand control?
Hand control. Yeah.
Some of the movements, I was like, am I actually going to get bit? Very convincing, though.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah.
And the properly rotated hands.
Yeah, not the pronated bunny hands like in Jurassic Park. Yeah. You know your stuff. I appreciate that.
And the raptor's my favorite. Velociraptor all the way up to Utah Raptor.
Yeah. So I work with the guy who discovered and named Utah Raptor, Jim Kirkwood.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. So I was doing field work with him just this year. So,
Oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you so much. It was so cool to meet you.
Great to meet you too, yeah.
Nice meeting you. Thanks for stopping by.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Celia's making new friends.
Thank you. Thank you.
I actually remember you from the last Twitchcon.
Oh, you do?
Same outfit.
Awesome. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Oh, very cool. It's so cool seeing people's reactions to a dinosaur, you know? Like, it kind of captures people's imaginations. All right, so
I think it's around.
there we go. Yeah. So we've got. I think they might be around the corner, or they might be right here. Let's see. They are around the corner. There we go. So there's the Humane Society and World Wildlife Fund. Let's walk by and pretend like we don't see anything.
Okay.
Oh my God!
How's it going? Good to see you. Yeah. Wanted to bring Velia by so you can meet her.
Oh,
Yeah.
can I pet her?
You can.
Okay, Diva.
I was wondering what I was doing.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah.
What does he eat?
Oh, small mammals, reptiles, smaller dinosaurs, that kind of thing. It's difficult to find food for her around here.
Pandas?
I don't know. I think pandas might not be common enough to try and eat. So yeah. We'll see.
What noise does she make?
She's been very quiet lately. I think she's a little overwhelmed, but she's kind of like an emu or something like that. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. But she's been a real champ today. Putting up with all the crowds and everything. So.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to see her again.
Of course, yeah.
If you have,
I don't know if I have room, but actually those socks are pretty cool.
take it. These are
It'd be a nice snack for her. I wonder what she thinks of elephant.
You can take whatever you want.
Last polar bear ones?
Yeah.
The elephant ones are cool.
Can I get it?
Yeah, take it.
Actually,
please. We're
might
getting
take
rid of
the tiger
stuff. Also,
ones.
that is
Thank
the
you.
most cute
Yeah.
Thank you.
Very cool.
I have done World Wildlife Foundation streams.
Oh, awesome.
Very cool, yeah.
Like $600 last year.
Yeah.
That's huge. Like, genuinely.
Yeah.
Like, thank you so much.
Can we do a little spiel about World Wildlife Fund here for the camera?
Yeah. So we are the world's leading conservation organization. We do work in 100+ countries. We are all about saving the environment. We have 6 main ways of doing that. You can go to our website, worldwildlife.org, to learn everything we do. And we're here to connect with streamers who can fundraise for us through Tiltify. It's been a long con.
Yeah, I can imagine, yeah.
But meeting you has been one of the major highlights. So
I'm touched. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. No. She's a real Velociraptor. They don't talk. Yeah.
Be in touch and reach out.
I can't wait. We're going to see if we can do a collaboration, so that would be really
that
cool.
would be very nice.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll try our best.
Yeah, especially if we can make it about leatherback turtles. So we'll see. Yeah, good stuff. All right. I can't wait. Yeah. Thanks again. See you around.
So
All right.
I once did a stream for them.
Really? What was that like?
And it was a lot of fun. I did a tier listing of all the animals that they protected.
Oh, very cool.
So we got to learn about every single one.
Really?
And then chat would vote where on the tier list they belong.
That is really cool.
Depending
Wow.
on their survival instincts.
Yeah.
How well they're doing.
So we're pandas toward the bottom in terms of survival instincts?
I feel like I probably would have put pandas further down.
But people love pandas, so did they make their way higher in the ranks?
What I do remember was I was putting an elephant as A tier and someone with the word elephant in their username rated in and said, change it to S tier.
You have to at that point.
So that's the one I remember.
Nice, okay. Very cool. Yeah.
All
That's
right.
awesome.
Humane Society.
Let's go say hello to Humane Society, yeah.
Okay. Hi, Yogurt!
Is Yogurt Carol there in the chat?
Yep, there she is.
Hello, Yogurt Carol. How you doing? Hello. Yeah. we are going to say hello to Humane Society here real quick. Yeah. Which I was very pleased to learn that the Humane Society doesn't just work with domestic animals, it's wild animals of all kinds as well. So, I know, right? Yeah. So we might be doing a collaboration at some point too. We'll have to see.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So it sounds like
They're
we
a little
should.
busy at the moment, but yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you this year.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Doing good.
Awesome.
You handmade that, right?
I did, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep,
Well, I mean, what are you talking about? She's straight out of the Cretaceous period. Yeah.
She was a living
Thank you.
fossil.
Yeah.
Hang on 1 second. Can I get a picture?
Absolutely, yeah. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture of your badge?
Of course. Yeah, yeah. There's a QR code if you just want to. Yeah, actually, let me give you a sticker. Yeah. There's a QR code on that as well.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow. Thank you, thank you. Very cool. Liminal Lucid.
Yes, yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Are you here with the, are you here looking at the humane world?
Yeah, I was just about to talk to them real quick, unless you need to.
No.
Okay, yeah.
I like your...
Thank you so much.
And they've got a photo booth too. That is neat. We might have to take a picture or something. We'll see. Yeah.
You should.
Has anybody in chat ever worked at the Humane Society before? I know they're a very well-respected organization. So.
I do have friends who worked with them.
Very cool. Yeah.
I also did not know that they mostly work with predators.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I didn't realize that it
So
was
they've
small
expanded
animals.
their mission to wildlife in general, not just domestic animals. So that's been really cool to hear. Hence the whale and the owl and everything on there. And yeah. Yeah, and I guess, they might be in the process of doing that rebrand, because look at the logo over there. The Humane Society of the United States, now Humane World for Animals. How's it going? Wanted to stop by and say hello. Yeah, so this is Velia, the Velociraptor.
What's their name?
Velia. Yeah, she's a Velociraptor. So if you've seen Jurassic Park or Jurassic World, you've seen Velociraptors and that, they don't really look like that. They look like this. So, yeah. Thank you.
Does she speak or does she?
No, she's pretty shy.
I didn't know if you were gonna start. No, I love her.
It's not gonna be doing any ventriloquizing, but yeah.
Are you I'm not gonna assume a Velociraptor is a bird, but I feel like
they're a dinosaur. Birds are a kind of dinosaur.
Right,
so birds evolved from this family of dinosaurs, the Maniraptorans.
Got it. If you had to pick our logo animals.
Oh yeah.
We've got a whale, we've got a beagle.
Oh, very cool.
Got a pig.
I think I like the whale.
I was going to say we've got an owl, trying to find out.
Oh, neat.
So I was thinking, okay, bird, feather, and they fly together.
Oh, very cool, yeah.
Right, and
That's
I think
really
our
neat.
final one is the spirit. The mink might be out, but we've got a big enamel-pin version.
Oh, very cool.
Of him
That's awesome.
slash her. So if you want to take any of this, please.
Potentially, I got some cards earlier. I might want to do some collaborations at some point.
Please, yeah.
And I'll give you this, because I don't think I spoke with you yet.
Yeah, would love.
But I'm working on a project, just getting started, with leatherback sea turtles.
So great.
So they're incredible animals. They've been around since the time of the dinosaurs, and they're at serious risk of extinction right now. So I'm going to be partnering with some organizations about that, and big potential partnership here too. I don't know.
Please. I mean, I can shove more paper at you.
Thank you.
If I'm not in contact with you.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Let me give you a card too. Yeah.
I love all animals, like turtles included.
So I was telling Chat earlier, growing up I thought that the Humane Society was primarily domestic animals, but it looks like you've expanded your mission out to wildlife in general.
So
that's
it's a
super
very
cool.
Interesting story. So we've been around since 1954, and then Humane Society International the past 20-ish years. So Humane Society of the United States, Humane Society International. This year in February, we actually merged. We do all the same work, but it's Humane World for Animals. now. But one of the big reasons we ended up doing that is because so many people thought we were your local humane society.
Right.
So we work with local humane societies. For example, one that I've been referencing is our 4,000 Beagle rescue in 2022.
Very nice.
From one of those breeding facilities, like animal testing breeding facilities back in Indiana. So we split all 4,000, brought them back to our rehab center, cared for them with our veterinary specialists, and then split them up among our sheltered partners. So we work with them like that. They basically call us in when they need more help from like a national, international entity. But we're not one-to-one connected to them. So like the name change is a reason for that as well. So we've always done international work. It's just like highlighted like this now, but we work hand in hand with a lot of the local shelters all around.
That's super cool. Thank you for doing this really important work. It's inspiring.
Thank you for supporting it. Like we couldn't do it. This community, especially, like I'm saying, it's super refreshing to talk to people. Like not to anyone that supports our work is an incredible person. But the animal people here, like they want to be boots on the ground.
Yeah.
They want to know, okay, I can donate, I can fundraise, but like, what can I do in my community? What can I do, like with my hands? And that's, I feel like you don't see that everywhere. So it's just satisfying to know that that still exists.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for talking with us. I really appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
And how can folks follow the Humane Society or get involved?
Well, we've got all these many links here.
There we go,
But you can find us in our Discord server, discord.gg/HWFA. But we have a streaming specific X that's --humane streams. And then a blue sky, which is humaneworld.org. So you'll get information about all of our stuff from any of those. But you can find us pretty much anywhere, humaneworld.org. Know more about our petitions, the legislation we're trying to pass. That's been super helpful. Like the advocacy holds the line just as much as like the fundraising does.
Awesome.
All that.
Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Keep up the good work.
Thank you so much. I'll have a good rest of your time. Bye, Julia. Bye.
Also, Blue Mage, who we met earlier, asked in chat he forgot to ask. What is the inspiration for Velia's coloration?
For her coloration, that is an excellent question. So I like the color orange on dinosaurs. I think it looks cool, but also we've actually been able to figure out the coloration for a few different dinosaurs by finding melanosomes, which are, well, they're like basically color things inside of cells. We can tell what color certain dinosaurs were. And for a few of them that we figured out, they are orange and brown on top and then white underneath. And so it just kind of made sense as a color pattern. We don't know for Velociraptor in particular, but for some other meat-eating dinosaurs, we figured it out, and it's orange and white and brown. So it's made sense for her.
Does that mean I'm a meat-eating dinosaur?
That is a similar kind of color. It's I forget the exact name for that type of melanosome, but it's the it's not a. It might be a carotid or something.
It's like carotid. Sounds about right.
So there's a dinosaur called Sinusoropteryx. Let's get some of those emotes going in the chat.
Okay. Sinusoropter emotes.
There we go. Charlie's Dragon's already got it. Yeah. All right. That's what they look like. So they've actually got like orange and white stripes that run up the tail, kind of like a red panda or something like that. So similar to your hair color too.
I was going to say, thanks for not mentioning that it's not feathers, but
if you ever wanted to do like a Sinusoropteryx cosplay, you can do that pretty easily with some white stripes on your hair.
Oh, that would be really fun. You know, some people think I'm doing Anna from Frozen, but but the real science people.
There you go. Sinusoropteryx also has this little like bandit mask thing going on in its eyes. So if somebody wanted to do like a cosplay makeup thing, like that would be a good candidate for it. That type of dinosaur.
Would actually be a banger stream idea.
Wouldn't that be neat?
I've been the what?
Wouldn't that be cool to do? Yeah.
It really would be. So I've been joking to Nerdwino whenever he says he's going to do a makeup stream because he misses one. I'm like, oh, are you going to do a GRWM, like a get ready with me stream because you're going to put makeup on? So it could be a
get that Revlon sponsorship, Maybelline.
Been used since the Cretaceous, several million years of expertise putting bright colors on skin.
Maybe she evolved with it, or maybe it's Maybelline. Let's see. How are we doing on time?
So it is almost 5 o'clock.
Okay,
We got about 50 minutes.
Perfect. How are you doing in terms of the backpack and everything? You holding up all right?
I don't know, chat. Is it wobbly or is it doing okay? If it's not wobbly, we're doing good. I think my arm is getting strong from it.
Nice. All right. I really appreciate this, by the way.
Yeah.
This is awesome. Yeah.
Nope, you're so welcome.
Yeah.
Thanks
Can
for
we get
letting
another
me
shout out for Draw Curiosity, by the way? Let's do that like periodically if we can.
Maybe
I should have put you in the title. Thank you. What were you saying?
Oh no, I saw Nerdaline mentioned that. I was like, beautiful.
There you go, yeah. Let's see.
You know, like those memes where it's like, get their look and then they have like the different makeup products and the outfit. We should do one for Velia.
That'd be really cool, yeah. No, there's a woman who does that. She calls it bird glamour. This is on Blue Sky, I think. She used to be on Twitter. But yeah, she'll like take a species of bird and then do her makeup exactly like the eye patterning and the plumage and everything.
Oh, that's
it's really cool. Yeah.
Because this is stream and I know stream brain is a thing.
Yeah.
Let's try and remember that afterwards because I want to check out this person.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Darius. That's very kind. People are saying nice things about me in chat.
Oh, as they should. Yeah. You do an excellent job, right? Again, I really appreciate this. You kind of saved my butt today filling in, so thank you for that. Yeah.
No, you're so welcome. I helped a friend a couple days ago, and it looks like a lot of fun.
Yeah. I really appreciate it.
I've been curious to try IRL at some point. I was gonna say we could take her to El Gato, but it might be a bit loud as it's close to the music area.
Let's see, we could go walk around Artist Alley a little bit if you think.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe a little less crowded.
And I guess we could also shout out some of the art streamers.
Absolutely, yeah, that'd be really good. Yeah.
Alex says Redheads Unite.
I wonder if I have.
Ninja Golf asks, how goes Twitchcon? Actually, yeah, what has been your highlight?
Highlight so far? Definitely the DNA extraction workshop last night with Valence. That was incredible. He did such a good job.
He was
honored to be part of it.
He was amazing.
Yeah.
We did it all wrong in the last two rows.
Right.
Partly
it was very funny though. Yeah.
We kept asking. I kept messing up. And therefore asking Danny to pass me more cups to start over again each time. And so Nodrino was just cackling at me like, oh look, the scientist is messed up. Then his filter paper broke, so what comes around goes around. He might have been sniped by Velia last year and caught us this year, but I made fun of me.
If anybody wants to watch the VOD from that, by the way, go to Cyan Streams' channel and check that out. It was super cool.
Yeah. In all seriousness, Berlin was incredible.
Yeah,
I think he did such a
knocked
great
it out
job.
of the park. Just natural host. He's cracking jokes and making everybody feel at ease. It was phenomenal.
Talk to science. We got to see DNA.
Yeah.
The biggest challenge actually was not eating the strawberry.
I failed that challenge several times, actually. Yeah.
That's where they went. It did look like a forbidden strawberry martini by the end.
It really did. Yeah, I was like, this is the weirdest cocktail I've ever made. Rubbing alcohol, strawberry dish soap. Yeah. We make our way up the escalator.
Twitch Goes Wild panel coming up in 15 minutes with Shark Geek, Science, and Casey.
Oh, right, yeah. 15 minutes. Hey. Thank you, I appreciate it. You ever met a Velociraptor before?
Not in person.
Yeah, this is Velia.
Oh, nice.
So, yeah. I was trying to show a Velociraptor doesn't look like you see in the movies. It was much more bird-like animal. Fully coated with feathers. Yeah, one of my favorite movies. Yeah.
I've been loving it since basically growing up.
Awesome, yeah. Let me give you a sticker. I do paleontology live streams. So I stream digs live from the field during the summer. So I'm finding new species of dinosaur and stuff. Yeah.
Take a photo with you.
Absolutely, yeah. That's what she's here for.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
No, what, sorry?
We should probably do a selfie because she's
Oh, okay.
Obviously, there's got her hands full for sure. Yeah. All right. Thanks, man. Yeah. Have a good one. Yeah. Yeah. When I said that's what she's here for, I'm referring to Velia, not to.
Yeah.
I think he was a little confused.
Oh.
Maybe. Yeah.
It's okay. Next year I'll turn into a cephalopod and then I'll have a few extra limbs.
That would be pretty cool. Yeah. Actually, yeah, like a squid or cuttlefish cosplay would be really neat. How would you go about doing that? I wonder.
Maybe I'd get a Zentai type suit.
We got you back. It's good to see you. How are things going?
Meet again.
Good, yeah. I
Yeah.
went to the 3:30 panel with Casey Soto.
Right, yeah.
What does Nerdino taste of?
Delicious. I just went down and checked out Starlight. Kids.
Oh, cool. Okay, yeah.
A couple of them came to the beach cleanup on.
Oh, right. Yeah, Casey mentioned that.
Yeah.
Very cool.
And 9.5 was there. I don't know if you know 9.5.
Yeah.
She works. Cool. Yeah, she works with them. I guess she's one of those streamers. Yeah. How's it been going with you?
Really well. Yeah, we might follow you to the panel if you're going there now.
It'll be the first science panel attended by. Wait, did you have anyone we didn't know, right?
Last year I did. Yeah. So it was. I know I did the Alveus Sanctuary panel last year with Velia.
Oh yeah.
That might have been the only one.
Nice.
But yeah. We'll see how this works out timing wise. We've got to return this before 4 o'clock, I think.
Oh, the IRL setup?
Also, Channel Garage says, thanks for the combo at the partner party.
Oh, yeah, you bet. Yeah.
How big is the, let me see, I just wanted to check the back of it.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
It's fairly compact.
And there's you got the mount for the camera.
Yeah.
Ooh, nice.
This has been the biggest weapon against my hair, actually.
Oh,
it's gotten caught a couple of times. I was like, oh, there we go.
We might be able to detach that or something. Let's see.
At least we could bend it back.
Yeah.
There you go.
To the side?
Yeah, to be fair, I've just put the hair. That's, actually, this is better.
Okay, good, yeah.
I can now do this without. Dr. Herb says, hi, Nerdino.
Who was it?
Dr. Hub says
Dr.
hi.
Hub.
Also, hi, Entropic Universe and Misadventures in Astro. I did see you all say hi earlier, but.
Oh, Dr. Hubs, we saw one of your students at the panel. Thank you for sending her over, by the way.
Oh.
Very cool.
They do it live on stream. They make
Yeah, I walked by that earlier. That's
nice.
neat.
We've got a couple of science ones.
Very cool.
Excellent.
Yeah, Dr. Hubs, we did bump into one of your students. We made a video, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Awesome.
Amazing.
You got anything else planned to do after this? Are you kind of winding down?
We've got the science meetup.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Right, which I think is at 5. Yeah.
Yes. That information was sourced from Nerdino.
That's right. Yeah, thank you.
It is at 5. Which seems a bit rude.
It's not the best, but
Yeah,
at least we've got one, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm trying to be grateful whenever I can.
Happiest Collie subscribed for 59 months at tier 1.
Thank you, Happiest Call. I really appreciate
Almost
that.
Collie.
10 years.
Yeah, almost 5 years.
That's impressive. No. Seriously, if it were not for that kind of support, I would not be able to do this kind of thing. So thank you for that.
Thank you, Rebel. It is suddenly quiet and peaceful again.
Yeah, this is the sign of.
Hi, Gravity.
It's like a desert.
Oh! You got 5 gift subs from
5 gift subs.
EBK Knight 89.
Oh, thank you, Eben. I really appreciate that. Holy cow.
And Executive. I think you might have a hype train going because now you have Executive Storm, tier 1 62-month streak.
Very nice. Thank you. Really appreciate that.
This is your
on my phone, yeah. Eating up all my data.
So with the IRL rig, you don't really have you can't really see.
You could if you pulled up Twitch on your phone. I've got a third-party chat app there called Denk Chat. Works pretty well. Yeah, it uses a lot less battery than the Twitch app does.
Yeah. Enjoy those gift subs.
Yeah. awesome. There's a bunch of new people who will not have to watch any ads for the next month. So really appreciate that.
And get access to the coolest dinosaur emotes on Twitch.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Hey, how's it going? Have you ever met a Velociraptor before?
I never did.
Yeah, this is Velia.
Oh my gosh. It's got a little bit of teeth, but...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so you eating people... Oh, what does he eat?
Like small mammals, reptiles, lizards, things like that, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Smaller dinosaurs. Yeah, you've seen like Jurassic Park, the Velociraptors.
Yeah.
And we're not that big in real life, and they're covered with feathers, too.
So this is the actual size?
Yep, actual size, actual morphology, as accurate as anything.
Oh, is it?
Wow.
Thanks, yeah. I'm a paleontologist, so I do fossil science streams. I dig up dinosaurs on stream and stuff.
Oh my gosh. Say it one more time just so I can go back to the box. I don't got
Paleontologizing, yeah. So
Let's go.
just search paleo on Twitch. I'll come right up.
All right, sounds good. I'll definitely, once I go back to the VODs, I'll definitely follow.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Here, let me give you a sticker, too, if you don't mind. It's got a QR code on it.
Oh, that would be even better.
But yeah. Thanks.
I appreciate you so much.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Apparently...
Oh, okay, yeah.
What's it going to get?
What's that?
Unwind list. There we go.
Oh, okay, yeah. So this would be what? That's,
Someone says, I've used ChatSend in the past, but just for chat. I'm not sure how well it works for actual video.
Oh, interesting.
But I've never seen this dank chat, but this is really neat.
I think some of them might only work for iOS, so this one works on Android too, and it's...
Did you say this is running off your data?
Yeah.
Okay, so they don't give you the data package, they just give you like the encoder.
Yeah. Which is okay. Hopefully it's not eating up too much data. Oh, and if we need to grab more water, that's okay.
Okay.
You good?
I was going to say, I'm pretty sure. Actually, you know what? I will get a little bit of water.
Let me hold it. Yeah. There we go. Got you now, chat.
You get like the alerts and stuff in your chat.
There's a few of them that will be...
I use IRL Pro. And it just does the chat, but you don't get like...
Thank you. Do you need water?
Yeah, let me grab
I feel
some
like... All right. Back to elevator music as our hosts hydrate rather than dihydrate. Have you ever seen, do you want to pet a Velociraptor?
I was putting in a drink, but this is cool.
Thank you, yeah.
It's really well made.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Of course,
That's insane.
Yeah, this is Velia. She's a Velociraptor. So we're walking around telling people about dinosaurs.
That's awesome.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Correct.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. She better be. I'm a paleontologist, so I'm not going to do anything, I love that for you. Pharmaceutical engineers. Oh, very cool. That they had
I did see science on your
thing. Very cool.
Are you coming to the meetup later?
There's a meetup? A science and
5
technology
p.m.
meetup, yeah. When and where? Yeah.
And one of the community meetup rooms
5 p.m. on the community meet rooms down there.
Yeah, so just down there and around the corner.
These are old, but they have like QR code. I stream science, space, astronomy.
Yeah, we're trying to get more people involved with like science education on Twitch.
Let me get all the names here right now. I'll take a quick picture and then I'll follow in a sec. If that's okay.
Paleontologizing. This is the channel that's live. Your curiosity. I do things you didn't know you wanted to know.
Yeah, so she's a scientist as well, PhD. So yeah.
Do we know?
Yeah.
I'm surrounded by intelligent people.
No.
You're in good company. I mean, join us.
Absolutely. I'm YouTube and
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
That's cool. Maybe see you in a couple hours.
Yeah. We'll see. Take care.
All right.
Oh, very cool.
Dinos, bugs, and space science. Honestly, that is kind of the dream team.
Yeah, it really is. Yeah.
That's
everything you need.
Another little cute bobbly creature. That is not actually scientifically accurate, but still very cute.
Was it supposed to be an axolotl or something? What was that?
I wasn't sure.
I didn't get a good look.
It might be something like a Pokemon, but my initial thought was, what if it's a Cambrian animal?
Right, yeah. Like Waxia or something like that with the spiky things on top.
Like one of the things you throw like Mario Kart when you're trying to knock them.
Oh, yeah. Like a turtle carapace.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Everyone's just staring in awe at the.
It's cool to like
Velia.
to walk by and then somebody's like staring at her and then I can stare right back and not look myself. It's a fun move.
Could do one of those like viral Instagram reels. It's like Twitchcon's reaction to a Velociraptor.
Right. Yeah. Lost her, we know.
Yeah, let's try and catch up with him. Follow the QR code.
Yeah,
I'm like, this.
I did get a little notification saying the panel is starting in 5 minutes. So
oh, excellent. Okay.
We might actually be here like bang on time.
Nice. Perfect.
Thank you, Holly. We are. Everyone is blessed to meet me here. Alright, gonna flip you all around. I also want you to appreciate, you know, the effort put into Velia's accurate bobbing as she's walking along.
Yeah. Maintaining that equilibrium like birds do. Gyroscopic motion.
Flip it around this way because it's attached to a cable.
Gotcha, yeah.
That is so cool.
Thank you, yeah, she's a Velociraptor. Yeah. So we're walking around telling people about dinosaurs, that kind of thing, yeah. Yeah. And we're trying to catch up to him though, so.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks for saying hello. Hey. This is Velia. She's a Velociraptor.
Oh my god, love. Hi. You're streaming right now.
You're streaming right now too?
No. I was just saying hi.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No, it's all good.
I was just saying, this is trash, apparently.
Yeah.
I was like, nice to meet you. I'm Inés, rhymes with face, or draw curiosity.
Yeah. So, fellow scientist here.
I did the panel yesterday.
I saw.
Amazing.
I recognized you. I was like,
Yeah. You did a great job. That was a lot of fun.
That was such a good panel. I loved it. But yeah, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, thanks.
Nice to meet you.
We're going to another science and conservation panel right now, actually. So. Yeah.
Are you in it or no?
No, I'm in the audience for this. I might have to duck out early too because I think our rental for the IRL thing is going to be up in about a half hour.
Just feel like I'm a Twitch ambassador. Extend my time.
I try not to pull rank like that, but
no, I'm kidding.
Yeah. I know.
He already plucked a dinosaur from the past.
Exactly, you know, I've already
just
used
more
up all my
time
brownie
bending.
points already.
Yeah, no, I love it. All right, take care.
Yeah. There we go. Okay.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
So what time is it right now? 3:29?
So it's 3:30. We've got about half an hour.
Okay, I'll have to duck out a little bit early, but that'll be fine.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, did that work?
Thank you.
Oh, no. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Hey.
There it is.
Thank you. Oh, hi.
Oh, thank you. All right. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, and we can go see Casey and the Vaquita real quick before we start.
Let's go.
Hey, Casey. Can we say hi with the Vaquita? We're live right now.
Oh, hi.
Check this out, Chad. Holy cow. Yeah.
She is back.
What were you trying to name it? Maybe Bonita Vaquita, maybe? We're not sure.
I heard that.
Bonnie, for short?
Bonnie?
I'm not sure.
Bonnie's cute.
I'm not sure.
I was thinking maybe Bessie, like a cow name for like a little cow.
We're going to get started shortly. I do have one request. We are going to have a segment at the end where I'm taking questions. I'm going to come to the audience and hold the mic for you. If we could not be so spread out. I love exercise. I really need to walk more. But it'll help me get from person to person. So if y'all want to come into the rows, there are so many seats. I promise everybody has showered. And we're so excited to get started with you all. Make some friends. We all love science, right? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. We're about to get started shortly.
So I think this is going to work out perfect. I can raid into Cyan's streams because I think they might be streaming already, so we can have a seamless transition there. And then I can go return them. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, we'll raid into you in a minute.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Who is ready for Twitch Goes Wild? Oh, now with a title like that, you can't give a response like that. Who is ready for Twitch Goes Wild? Look how much they were holding back on us. Can you believe it? My name is Savannah Lowe. I'm your host for this session today, and I cannot wait to learn from some amazing creators about sharks, science, wildlife cams, and here to kick us all off is the one and only Shark Geek. Can you let us know about this panel?
How you doing? Welcome to Twitch Goes Wild. So first off, how many people, just a show of hands, came here to this panel just because sharks were in the title? I'm curious. Okay, that's a pretty good number. So I appreciate you, but you will not be disappointed. There is shark content in this presentation, filmed by yours truly. But what we're here to talk about is not just that, but something that me and these other creators here have in common. We all come from vastly different backgrounds, have different skill sets, have different interests, things that we stream about are completely different. But at the end of the day, we've also had some commonality that is wildlife education and advocacy. We've come together and just happened to all do some sort of streams that educate people about wildlife, and sometimes even work with conservation organizations, or just work to be like grassroots conservation advocates, raise awareness for conservation efforts that are out there. So I wanted to start just by kind of going down the line here and have everybody introduce themselves. I'll kick it off. So like I said, my name is Parker, aka Shark Geek. I am a grassroots shark conservation advocate. I dive with sharks with a 360 camera, show that to my stream, and then write thrash metal songs about their hunting behaviors.
And do you want to show everyone who is participating?
Yeah, let's do that. Here we go.
Hello, I am Space Voyage. I am the director of production over at Alveus Sanctuary. I help do all the tech stuff, get the live cams running and on stream, and my background is in programming.
Hi, my name is Connor. I am a biologist. I also work at Alveus Sanctuary as the director of operations, and I help nonprofits get wildlife cameras up and going to show off either birds in rehab, animals in human care, or out in the wild.
Hi, my name is Casey, and I am an art streamer, a former teacher, and currently trying to educate people about animals, specifically this one.
Vaquita!
The vaquita! Save the vaquita, yeah.
That was not the shark content.
That was not the shark.
That is not it.
Not a shark.
So hi everyone, my name is Balint. I'm one half of the science stream team. The better half is my wife Lita. We both have our PhDs in molecular biology, and we do science content on Twitch, from microscopy, so looking at tiny worlds under a microscope, art, news, games, IRL, to zoos, other conservation sites, and beyond. So guys, welcome, and big thank you to Sharky for putting this panel together, and for Miss Savannah for hosting us.
Thanks for being a part of it. So, to kick off our little journey here about wildlife education and advocacy on Twitch, and again, all of this is really just to show you guys that we found an opportunity for this platform to be used for an avenue of wildlife education and advocacy. Education is a section of Twitch that is growing so rapidly as of late. Like, science has absolutely been exemplifying that for a long time now. And really, like, conservation advocacy, I feel like, is still in its infancy in that, and we'd so much like to see more people taking advantage of that, being able to either do fundraisers for wildlife efforts, or even just raising awareness about the need to conserve certain animals and things like that. And to kick that off, we're going into sharks, games, and metal music, my little weird corner of the internet, as I call it. Again, I'm Shark Geek. I come by the name honestly. I am not a scientist, like some people in this room are. I am just a scuba diver, big nerd, former video game designer, and metal musician. I say that with air quotes because I only put the one song out so far. It's just something I'm trying to do so you can see this. Get people more interested, have something fun for people of all walks of life. I try to make it where we're here.
Excellent. Okay. Yay. So I don't want to walk out of that panel, but we've got to go return this IRL rig real quick. So we'll go do that. But first, yeah. Hey. first, let me go ahead and raid into Science Streams so that we can. Here, I got to pull it up here. Let's see, so that you can continue watching at home. To watch, profile, chat. Whoop.
Apparently your bandwidth and data did really well, is what everyone's saying.
Excellent.
So
That's really good to hear.
We're good to hear that.
Science _
And thanks for being so nice to me.
streams, and there's not a $sign there. What am I doing?
It's now BB No Money. I think it's Science _ streams.
Yep.
Oh, there's an M.
Yeah, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Science streams. That looks right. Excellent.
I absolutely love your Velociraptor.
Thank you. Here, just a minute. We're trying to raid out real quick, and then I can talk to you. Yeah, thank you. No, you're all good. Stick around for just a sec. Yeah. But yeah, here. Thank you, everybody, for showing up today. Really appreciate it. I got to go return this rig here, but we'll raid you into Science Stream so you can continue watching the panel. I hope to see everybody on Tuesday. I think I'll be streaming again. So take care, everyone, and get that raid started. And thank you especially to Draw Curiosity today for being our camera woman. I could not do this stream without you, so thank you so much for all of your help. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, everybody follow Draw Curiosity if you're not yet doing so.
Oh.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh, just in time for the raid out.
Yeah. Well, take care, everybody, and I'll see you later.
Bye.